This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Cordarone injection is used to manage irregular heartbeats and related conditions. It is crucial for patients requiring immediate treatment. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for managing sudden fast or uneven heartbeats, like atrial flutter and atrial fibrillation, especially when other treatment options have failed or are not suitable. It is also effective in treating Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome, a condition characterized by unusually fast heartbeats. How it works. The injection operates by blocking specific electrical signals in the heart, thereby reducing the excitability of cardiac tissues and restoring normal heart rhythm. Directions for use. Cordarone injection must be administered by a qualified healthcare professional directly into the vein through intravenous injection or infusion. The healthcare provider will determine the appropriate dosage and duration of treatment based on individual patient factors, including age, body weight, and specific medical condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include blurred vision, rashes, and muscle weakness. More severe reactions can occur, requiring prompt medical evaluation. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised for individuals with certain health conditions, including heart disease, liver issues, and respiratory problems. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid this treatment unless absolutely necessary. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting treatment. FAQs. 1. What is Cordarone injection used for? It is used to manage irregular heartbeats and related conditions. 2. How does it work? It blocks specific electrical signals in the heart to restore normal rhythm. 3. Can it cause skin sensitivity? Yes, it can increase sun sensitivity. 4. What should be avoided during treatment? Alcohol and grapefruit juice should be avoided. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is important to us.